Hi, ma'am, sir. My name is Joyce Sotelo from Ilocos Sur, Philippines. I am 40 years old. I am married. I have two children, one boy and one girl. My boy is 12 years old and my girl is 5 years old. I have experience working in Singapore as domestic helper. I finished my contract to my two employers. My first employer is a Filipino. I serve two adults and 2 years old kids. My main duties is to take care the babies and do the household chores. And my second employer is Chinese. They are three adults and one kid, 7 years old. My main duties is to take care the whole family to by attending their needs, especially the young one. And I also do the household chores and help ama to prepare their food and to cook their meals. um, I am ready and willing to learn more things and adapt new environment. I can say that I am hardworking, reliable, and trustworthy. Sir, please do hire me as your domestic helper. I will do my duties and responsibilities without any supervision and according to your requirements. I promise to finish my contract and obey your house rule and regulation. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir. God bless you.